Hi guys, today I wanted to talk to you about wedding consultations. What exactly is a wedding consultation? Who goes to the wedding consultation? What do you bring to a consultation? And what is the overall goal of this particular meeting? So I wanted to break it down for you a little bit today. A wedding consultation, basically to sum it up, is the majority of the time it's me with a particular couple that is getting married, and it is an interview process with me. I do a little bit of interviewing of them, they do a little bit of interviewing of me, and we see if we are a good fit for the wedding day. So who usually attends? This can be where there's a little bit less consistency. The majority of the times it is one or both members of the wedding couple that are getting married. Sometimes there is a mother or a father involved of either person. Sometimes I've seen that there could be a maid of honor that arrives also. Generally, you just want to make sure that you know who everybody is. It doesn't necessarily matter who's paying. I will address every question that comes up and make sure that everyone's on the same comfort level depending on who they are. So I just address everyone as the questions come up. It doesn't affect me who's writing the check or who's paying for my service. I will still honor the actual couple that's getting married, and they would be the ones that would be signing my contract because they would be my clients. What do I bring to wedding consultations? So I would bring my laptop if they wanted to see any examples of some of my previous work. Maybe if they're getting married at a particular location that I've already photographed in, it might be helpful to be able to show them that. I bring my notebook so I can take extensive notes of their day, but I also want to get an idea of a tentative timeline, because if they're concerned about which package to choose, I want to be able to take notes, and I also want to have those notes later on. If they do decide to book with me, I can refer back to all of our conversation that we had on that particular day. So this kind of brings me to what the goal of the wedding consultation is. The goal is to sell my services. It is to have a successful sale, having the couple sign the contract, and reserving my services for their particular wedding day. That being said, I kind of pump myself up a little bit beforehand. I'm not necessarily the best salesman in the world. I don't have like all of the sales techniques that a lot of salespeople get, but I do read up on how to do sales and what I need to do, and asking important questions and giving them time to answer. So I know a lot of techniques, because at the end of the day, if I don't book that wedding, that is my income. So I need to book that wedding. I can't be a photographer if I don't have clients. I mean, my business will not function anymore if there is nobody participating, if I don't have anyone paying for my services. So it's very important that you get into that mindset when you're at a consultation. Obviously, each person's personality kind of dictates how they will do their particular meeting, but I really think it's important to ask for a sale. Finally, when I get to the end of the meeting, I don't necessarily do a pressured question, but I will ask a client, are you ready to make a decision today? And then I wait. Many times they might have other meetings with other photographers. They might have reasons why they can't exactly put that deposit down right at this moment, or if there's anyone else at home that they have to talk to, or if they're not the ones paying. Whatever the scenario is, there's a possibility that they might not be able to make a decision right then. But as I've started doing photography full time, I realized that my process at these wedding consultations has improved greatly, because I need that money. I've said it in videos in the past that I think you should have a little bit of a cushion of finances, or at least money coming in, before owning your own business and diving right in. But I can tell you that as it becomes more and more important for you to make money and to earn a living off of photography, you will notice that your processes do get a little bit better. Maybe it's desperation, I don't know, but sometimes if you have a really great meeting and you feel wonderful about it and a couple doesn't book, it kind of forces you to reconsider some of the ways that you said things. So at this point, I've done consultations for a long time. I'm very clear, I'm very concise, I get into the zone when I'm in there, and honestly, the only thing at the forefront of my mind is making sure that I'm satisfied with this couple, that they are satisfied with my services, and that we can make a deal. I hope this was helpful for all of you guys. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and feel free to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.